I told you that missing just one estate planning document could send your family to court or leave your wishes completely ignored? In this video, I'm walking you through the 5 essential documents every estate plan needs. No fluff, no jargon, just the stuff that actually protects your family. And if you're serious about getting your affairs in order, you'll want to stick around and subscribe. This channel is designed to walk you through the entire process step by step. Hi, I'm John Farrell, estate planning attorney and owner of the Farrell Law Firm. Almost every day, I post new videos to help you make smart estate planning decisions, protect your family, and avoid expensive legal surprises. So if that's something you care about, hit that subscribe button right now. This is the kind of content you don't know you need until it's too late. Let's walk through the top 5 documents every estate plan needs. Number 1, the Revocable Living Trust. This is the heart of most solid estate plans. A revocable living trust lets you stay in control while you're alive, and then passes your assets privately and efficiently when you're gone. No court process, no delays, no public records. Without a trust, your family's going through probate, even if you have a will. And as I always say, surprises are for birthdays, not estate plans. The pour-over will. Yes, you still need a will. A pour-over will is a special kind of will that works with your trust. It's a backup, meant to catch any assets that don't get transferred into your trust while you're alive. It also names guardians for minor children, which is huge if you're a parent. Think of it as your safety net, simple but critical. Number 3, the financial power of attorney. This document lets someone you trust handle your financial affairs if you become incapacitated. Paying bills, managing bank accounts, filing taxes, you name it. Without this, your family might have to go to court just to help you. That's expensive, slow, and totally avoidable. Make sure it's durable so it stays valid even if you're no longer able to make decisions. If this is helping you get a clearer picture of what goes into a solid estate plan, go ahead and subscribe. I post practical, easy to follow videos like this almost every day. No scare tactics, no legal jargon, just real help from someone who does this every day. Number 4, the healthcare power of attorney. These often go hand in hand. A healthcare power of attorney lets someone make medical decisions for you if you can't speak for yourself. A living will outlines your specific wishes, things like life support, feeding tubes, end-of-life care. Without these, your loved ones could be left guessing, or worse, fighting over what you would have wanted. I always say, planning ahead spares your family from having to make impossible choices. Asset, inventory, and beneficiary review. Okay, this one isn't technically a legal document, but it's just as important. Keep a clear list of your bank accounts, investment accounts, real estate, insurance policies, retirement plans, and then check your beneficiary designations. I've seen people accidentally leave assets to ex-spouses or bypass their trust entirely because the forms were never updated. Your legal documents and your financial accounts need to work together. That's what makes your plan airtight. Let's recap the top 5 documents every estate plan needs. Number 1, the Revocable Living Trust. Avoid probate and stay in control. Number 2, the pour-over will, a catch-all and guardianship. Number 3, the financial power of attorney. Handle money if you can't. Number 4, the healthcare power of attorney and living will, medical decisions and wishes. And number 5, asset inventory and beneficiary review. Keep everything coordinated. If you're missing any of these, don't worry. It just means now's the time to put the pieces together. Now here's the thing. You don't need to figure all of this out at once. That's why I created this channel, to give you bite-sized, useful guidance on building a real plan piece by piece. And if you subscribe, that's exactly what you'll get. Like this video if it helped you feel more confident about your plan. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. It's all about how to protect your home from probate. Drop a comment. Which of these 5 documents do you still need to set up? I'm John Farrell with the Farrell Law Firm. Thanks for watching and welcome to the channel.